The political story, is there a change on the cards in the Congress, or is this just idle speculation? Little difficult to dismiss it as just that, given the regularity with which such noises are being heard from within the Congress party. The latest to join the chorus is Congress MP Imran Masood. His demand of making Priyanka Gandhi Vadra the Prime Minister got strident support from Robert Vadra. But remember, these two gentlemen aren't the only ones. We also had Acharya Pramod Krishnam, who before leaving the Congress party had advocated for giving PGV more responsibilities. Remember an open letter that was recently written by former Odisha Congress MLA Mohammad Mukim, where he asked Sonia Gandhi to carve out a more central and active role for Priyanka Gandhi. So could that become a reality anytime soon? The Congress is silent, but the BJP is having a field day.
प्रियंका गांधी प्रधानमंत्री हैं क्या? बना दीजिए प्रियंका गांधी को प्रधानमंत्री। देखिए इंदिरा जी की तरह कैसे जवाब देकर आएंगी। वो प्रियंका गांधी है, उसके नाम के आगे गांधी लगा हुआ है। वो इंदिरा गांधी की पोती है। पाकिस्तान को इलाज ऐसा किया था कि पाकिस्तान सदियों उस दर्द को नहीं भूल पाया। बनाइए प्रियंका गांधी को प्रधानमंत्री, देखिए फिर जवाब कैसा मिलता है। हिम्मत भी नहीं होगी करने की।
People do admire her. People see that she's got, when she speaks from her heart, and she speaks really on subjects that need to be heard, and she'll debate with them. And I think she has a bright future in politics, and I think a bright future in changing what is required on the ground in this country. I think so. And that is with taking everybody's consent in mind. Not her ideas only. The people's ideas are there to make the changes that they require. And I think this will happen in time. It's inevitable.
इमरान मसूद ने तो साफ साफ कह दिया कि अब उनको राहुल गांधी पर कोई भरोसा नहीं बचा है। अब राहुल हटाओ, प्रियंका जी को लाओ। प्रियंका जी को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने में अब उनको काम करना है। और इस बात का एंडोर्समेंट स्वयं रॉबर्ट वाड्रा जी की तरफ से भी आ गया कि हां बिल्कुल सही है। इसका मतलब जनमत तो राहुल से गया ही। लेफ्ट से लेकर ओमर अब्दुल्ला, जिन्होंने राहुल गांधी की बातों को खारिज किया, सुप्रिया।
All right, let's get some अंदर की खबर. Rashid Kidwai and Ashutosh, both senior journalists and analysts, are joining us now. Rashid Saab, what's happening? Is there a palace coup underway?
Far from it, Padmaja. I think it is a til ka taal and a khayali pulao. See,
khayali pulao kiske? Imran Masood ke?
No, for all those people, even the BJP who is speculating, etc., and thinking that this is some kind of division or some kind of disquiet within the Congress. Padmaja, on a more serious note, it is very simple. In all dynasty parties, there is a one, shining star among lesser moons. So you look at, Akhilesh Yadav, you look at, his Bihar counterpart,
Tejasvi Yadav,
MK Stalin, all of them, you look at Akali Dal, you look at Sukhbir Badal, there is just one person, and in Congress, it is Rahul Gandhi. Second thing is, Gandhis won't come in picture unless the Congress starts getting half of half. That is, at least half of 272 Lok Sabha seats. We don't see at this scenario, maybe Ashutosh may disagree with me, I don't see the Congress netting 150 or more Lok Sabha seats in 2029. So unless that happens, no member of Gandhi family will be inclined to become, Prime Minister or make a bid for it. So this is, you see, Padmaja, you just can't go by some optics that somebody is having, tea or having better communication.
Sure, but no, there are people within the Congress who have been saying it for quite some time. There were also a lot of rumors about how there are different camps, like they used to say with Dr. Manmohan saying that he has a separate coterie which is forming within the Congress. Now, there's a lot of murmurs about that. Does Priyanka Gandhi have a separate coterie?
No, not really. I think Priyanka Gandhi addresses Rahul Gandhi as my leader. The entire logic of Priyanka Gandhi being in politics is because she wants to see Mr. Rahul Gandhi as a successful politician. So therefore, the family is one and there is no differences. The camps that you're talking about are the various people who try to associate themselves with Rahul Gandhi and with Priyanka Gandhi in order to have a better future. It happens in all political parties and all the time. These are dynamics of internal politics of every political party. I think the biggest important thing is that the Congress should start winning. We must not forget in Uttar Pradesh in 2022, Priyanka Gandhi held 202 very successful public meetings. And what was the net result? 2 assembly seats. So
5% strike rate she had, I
challenge whether it's a brother or sister.
But to be fair, Ashutosh ji, it's not like Rahul Gandhi at that time also had a great strike rate. He also held plenty of rallies. The same can be argued for his track record in Bihar, for example. At this point, are there people who think that Priyanka Gandhi has more charisma?
See, BJP would like to believe that the Priyanka is a better bet than...
No, not BJP. What do you believe?
Let me complete. And I'd love the picture where Modi was smiling and talking to Priyanka Gandhi, the first time member of parliament, and those who had in the parliament 6 more times or 7 more times, they were relegated to the corner. So that shows how Nehru Gandhi family carries the charisma with themselves, and even opposition, even the people in the government, they're also quite enamored. Otherwise, Priyanka wouldn't have been sitting over there where she was asked to sit next to Rajnath Singh. And then Narendra Modi was, it's quite a privilege for them also, for the Priyanka also. See, the fact of the matter is I completely...
So you're being a little unfair. You know, these are common courtesies being extended and you say the Prime Minister is enamored with the Nehru Gandhi family. That's a little unkind.
Never, these courtesies are never exchanged with Rahul Gandhi and the Sonia Gandhi, if I remember correctly.
If you're going to tell somebody, मैं तुम्हें डंडे से मारूंगा, how will he extend any courtesy?
Let's not get into that, because then I'll go back to 2002 and 2001 and how the Narendra Modi has accused and used all kinds of words to Sonia Gandhi. And let's not get
No, but I want to ask a direct question. The thing is that has Priyanka Gandhi also been more approachable and affable when it comes to dealing with the government and BJP, and which is why this common courtesy is being reciprocated?
See, I don't think so. See, BJP is a very different political party. Narendra Modi is a very different political animal. Sorry, in a different word, not as the people are thinking. He's a very smart politician. Extending such courtesies to Priyanka Gandhi means create some kind of wedge in the Nehru Gandhi family. Play with the ego of the Priyanka Gandhi. Let her think that she is more approachable. She's a better leader. She's a better connect with the people. She will be more... she will get better things for the Congress party. They are trying to do that. Otherwise,
wait, are you saying that Mr. Modi is hatching this diabolical plot of trying to prop up Priyanka Gandhi versus Rahul?
Of course. I never had a doubt about it. I don't have a doubt about it. See, and this is good politics. This is not a bad politics. This is good politics. If they could create a wedge between Rahul Gandhi and the Priyanka Gandhi, this is good for the BJP, this is good for the Congress.
Rashid साहब, ये तो next level ही master stroke हो गया. ये तो ultimate चाणक्य हो गया. Create a wedge between Rahul and Priyanka. Are you then saying, sir, that Imran Masood is also playing according to what Mr. Modi is saying? Then by going for that chai party with Om Birla, Priyanka Gandhi is actually playing along the lines of Mr. Modi.
See, those people who are not getting any access to the Rahul Gandhi, now they will stand behind Priyanka Gandhi. They'll say and talk all kinds of nonsense. But what is the most important issue? The most important issue is there's no competition between Rahul Gandhi and the Priyanka Gandhi. The whole family is united on this. Point number 2, Priyanka coming into the politics, coming on her own, is basically helps Congress and helps Rahul Gandhi. The point number 3, many people who would have grievances with Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, they can go to the Priyanka Gandhi and get their grievances addressed. That helps Rahul and that helps Congress party also. But yes, Priyanka has, in a way, is a more approachable personality. He's more affable, but it's not that he is less critical of Narendra Modi. As he's less critical of Hindutva. No. But I think this combination works well. One is a bad cop, another is a good cop, but both are doing the same thing.
All right, so one is good cop, one is bad cop, but does the good cop harbor some desires, Rashid Kidwai? Are you actually saying that she has no desire to be leader of opposition? That she has no desire to be the PM face of Congress?
Look, comparison is a thief of joy. See, we must remember that it's been 10 months, and Ashutosh would correct me if I'm wrong, it's been 10 months that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra does not have an assignment. She's AICC General Secretary. But General Secretary looking after what? She's not looking after any state. She's not looking after, organizational matters. She's not looking after Youth Congress, Mahila Congress. She's without an assigned role. This may sound, Padmaja, to you quite incredible, but that's the, reality of it. See, and
maybe that's the reason she's upset. Maybe that's the reason why she's flexing muscle and saying, Imran Masood, bolo ki main PM ban jaun.
Yeah, so Padmaja, I value your thought process, your ability to decipher these things. Have you come across a single, BJP voter or sympathizer who says that, if Rahul Gandhi fades away and if Priyanka Gandhi replaces him, I will vote for the Congress. I will vote for Gandhis. Have you come across a single person like this?
No.
Please say loud.
No. So far, no, I haven't.
That's the stark reality of our politics. So politics is a serious business.
Okay.
If a brother replacing sister or sister replacing brother is not going to make any consequential difference.
All right. Very often we have seen BJP very supportive of Priyanka Gandhi, her ambitions, or people who are saying that she should be Prime Minister. But good question. Will they eventually bite the bullet and say we will vote for Priyanka if she leads the Congress? We'll wait to hear on that. Out of time, but value as always your wisdom on this issue. Thanks very much, Rashid Kidbhai, Ashutosh, for joining me. And thanks very much for watching. Remember, on every story that matters, the buck stops here.